tutorial, I will show you how to duplicate a frame in Procreate Dreams. Feel free to check out the description box below to see how you can download this project file to follow along. So over here, I have some frame by frame animation, and I am going to duplicate this frame next to my hold frame. So I'm gonna long hold this frame to see the pop-up menu and then tap on the duplicate. And this will create one immediate frame next to my frame and then push everything further down the timeline. So you really want to make sure that you're not offsetting the entire track by doing this duplication. And you can also do that by tapping on a group. So long press and then duplicate. That will create a twin next to my original content. So that's how you duplicate inside Procreate Dreams. I will see you in the next video.